Hey guys, today I'm gonna review 1995 Toyota Celsior, which is about the same as the Lexus LS400. Yeah, I just imported recently. Basically, I got it last week, and this is really nice car. One of the reason I brought it here is it is pretty much same as LS400, right? So it just basically it's really easy to find the parts in here in US. So you don't really have to worry about it. You can drive the JDM car and don't have to worry about the parts. Um, the the everything else, the JDM is much better. It's better than the Lexus LS400 here. I mean, option wise, I reviewed the other cars a few weeks ago, maybe last week, I guess. There's the black one. It has all the options. Same thing with this one. I mean, it doesn't have as much as option like the other car, but it's a lot of option, and the condition here is way better than the LS400 here. I mean, he's 26 years old, right? And can you believe that the paint stays shiny like a new one. I mean, the car, I just washed it, but I didn't polish it or anything. That's how I got it from the pot. And the inside, I haven't even cleaned the inside yet, and that's how clean it is. I mean, I'll show you later inside, but let's go around the car first. So this car is wearing the Weds Maverick alloy wheel. It's 3 pieces, Japanese, really nice rims. It's 19 inches. It is recent purchase. The reason I can say is because there's a receipt inside of the car of the we purchase, and it was bought like a 2019 or something. And so the rim is in very nice condition, as well as the tires are in pretty good shape also. And the previous owner really loved this car. The only damage I see is here, a little scratch here. I mean, it's, compared to the other car from US, it's nothing really matter. Yeah. So yeah, the rims are very nice rim. I like their rims. It's really awesome. So and the paint as well. I mean, the whole body, it's still in original paint. There's no damage or anything. And it does have a HID lights. I'm not sure it is original or the aftermarket, but here the original owner he kept all the maintenance records. So I have all the records in the car, even the time and belt change. And I also this is a YJ stickers that recently did it, and as you can see it's really nice. The only thing I could say, this one doesn't have a power memory seat, and but very nice interior, like really Grecian white seat. And it does have the moonroof, and it has the navigations. I mean, Japanese navigation is not really working, but it has the I believe that's Pioneer double din. I will say, the top one is, it's funny, is here. So this is mini disc, and this one is for the cassette. As well as there's an original 6-disc changer in the other side, and inside of the trunk it has the 12-disc changer, I guess. Somehow I try to figure it out, I can't figure it out. I don't know how to play. I'm really bad. I mean, it does have the instruction, and of course in Japanese, you know. But I try. It radio's on, you know. It just at least sounds came out. But CD, I don't know. I don't know how to figure it out. Oh, and here, as you can see, the funny thing is, they didn't even remove the plastic, like when they bought it. So it is like original from the new car. And yeah, and original carpet Celsior, and there's the rear air condition here, and up there has the lights. Oh, and it has power curtains. You see that? Yes, those are the power. It's pretty nice. And here is yeah, armrest. Oh, another thing. You see this? Those buckles, and it does have a like little lights next to it. It just lights up at night. So it's, you know, easy to put your seatbelt on. And each door has nice stitching on leather, and secret lighters, of course, because, you know, at the time they smoke a lot. And the door very heavy, and sound insulation is really good. You know, the reason is it has double insulation. Like you can see on the top is the rubber, and the bottom, and the second one has the another layer of the sound absorbing door seal, you know, so you can really see outside or the inside sound. So very, very detailed in Japanese. What else I have? Oh, let me show you the trunk. Let me open the hood and the trunk also. And okay. Oh, there's another thing. You see, there's one of them is the folded mirror. Next one is a vibration. It vibrate the let's say if you have a snow on your side view mirror, it vibrate and remove the snow, and it's pretty cool. Yeah, let me show you the trunk. So, like I said, trunk has the CD player and GPS, DVD player, I guess. And on this side, this is a toolbox, or I would say tool case here. It's pretty nice, isn't it? And very detailed and organized. Put it back here. On here, see the spare wheel and the jack, and this yellow things, those are the reflector, triangle reflector. It is pretty cool. You know, when your cars break down at the middle of nowhere, you put the triangles reflector, so at least people will see that your car is parked next to it. So yeah, let me show you another thing. On this side, you see the button here next to the door lock and unlock. That one is a seat belt adjuster. So basically, there's the seat belt things here. This thing, yep, that things go up and down. That one to adjust your need. And on this passenger side, you will see two dash bin. Right, top one is another CD changer. This is the original one, and the second one is just your belongings. In the middle, and here has a one storage, and the second storage here. And in the middle, that one is came out like this for your cup holder. And on this side, it is open like this for your cigarette lighters and ashtray, I guess. All right, let me start the car so I can show you the starting things. You know, the steering wheel is the power up and down steering wheel, so it's really cool. And here's the key. It has a lock unlock remote. So steering move automatically. Alright. It has 149,000 kilometers. We'll say about 90 something kilo. Not really sure. I gotta figure it out. Oh, sorry. Okay. So this is a day-night automatic changing mirror, and here is the sun shield. You know, just in case if sun's coming between those things, and it won't blind your eyes. It is pretty neat. You know, this is just a regular mirror and the lights. It is very nice material. They use it like really soft material. It is really nice interior though. Even though it has the leathers on the top here, and this is really soft material they use. So yeah, let me show you the engine. And oh, this is 149,000 kilometers. Oh, I think I said it already, but yeah, let me show you the engine and see what this looks like. It is 4.0 liter V8, same as the Lexus LS 400. It is 1UZ FE. You know, it is pretty nice and clean. There's a sticker. It showed the diamond belt was changed 190,000 kilometers or something like that. And here, clean inside. No crazy noise or anything. Listen to it. No knocking or clicking noise. Very healthy engine, especially it's a V8, you know, Lexus V8. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry about that. Hopefully a wind noise fixed, and the car itself is really good condition. It is for sale. I will be listing some, maybe without the rims. You know, the rim is very nice rim. So yeah, put some comments on it, let me know. All right, I'll do the next video hopefully tomorrow. All right, bye now.